Hi guys, Ben James here back for another video. That you're here and watching this because I'm going to try and just help you with your affiliate marketing and making money online. First of all, I just want to sort of start out and saying that making any kind of money in any business anywhere requires commitment and definitely some resilience. It's like anything; it's not as easy as what some people make it out to be online. If you're someone now that's just looking into it, or you're newbie, you're starting out, you're not sure where to start, or maybe you've started and you haven't had any results, I know what it's like. I know exactly what that's like. I went through probably about, ooh, I reckon it was 2 or 3 years of a world of pain, of trying every program out there. I felt at the time that was online, making very little money. I went for a while there where I was just trying different things and just could not make a sale online. So I know what that feels like, and I know that frustration that you might be going through right now. And I just want to let you know that what I'm going to share with you in this video is a process that you can work through that's helped me, that's given me some success online. Now, I definitely don't put myself up there as an expert that I know everything, but certainly this has come out of a lot of hardship and hard work and trying and testing different things that have worked for me. But yeah, working online affiliate marketing, don't go for the shiny objects out there that seemingly promise the world that give you no substance to actually work with. And so, what this video is about today is just going to show you what the process I work through and what I've been through, and some of the things that I've found that work for me. Some of the stuff's been pretty hard because I haven't had the results I would have liked, and other stuff's been good because I worked out what the results, what certain things made a difference to give me the results online. So if that's you today, just stay tuned, just like and subscribe or comment below and just say, hey Ben, um, things I'm struggling with at the moment. What's the most thing you're struggling with online at the moment? Maybe you say, I haven't made my first sale. Well, let me know below in the comments. Maybe it's Ben, I'm not sure I've bought this program, but I'm not sure how to implement, or I'm not sure how to get any traffic to my affiliate office, or I'm not sure how to build a sales video funnel, or whatever that is for you. But comment below maybe what's your biggest challenge online. Um, because the process here is it's all about just having a long-term approach. You don't come into affiliate marketing, and this is what I did years ago, and it probably caught me undone because I was in and out of it, in and out of it. I'd come on for a couple of months, go hard, go bang bang, buy a few programs, pay for some advertising or whatever I did. Nothing really worked, or I got a tiny little sale, or got minimal results in terms of my investment. Spent more money than what I actually got out of it and put more time in. And I thought, oh, no, it's a load of bollocks. I'm not going to keep on with this. And I'd go back, and then I'd come back a few months later and have another go. And the problem with that approach, if that's you today, is that you're never going to succeed. You're never ever going to succeed because it's like running a building business and going out, picking up the tools for a few months and advertising online that you're um, you know, doing renovations or whatever you're doing, or general building works. And next minute word gets out, oh yeah, pretty good, they're not bad. Get a couple of clients, you make some sales, so to speak, and then people go looking for you again, and you're gone for the next few months. Sort of, well, what's going on here? Where's this person you told me about that just did your renovation? You're in and out of the whole cycle. And then in that time that you've gone, the industry's moved on. There's some technologies that are involved. And what happens is you lose that consistency and that momentum that you were building. But one of the process I use over the time, what I've discussed and what my mentor has certainly helped me with over this time as well, is the process is just all about investing. Okay, so you're going to invest some money like any business, learn from that investment, test, and teach. Okay, and that's the whole process of what you're going to be doing online. Because at any given moment, if you've bought a product now, or you're using a product system now that you bought into to help make you money online, you're learning things. Now you mightn't have made a dime online. Now I'm not sure, but this video is all about your journey to your first $1,000 online. Um, and the journey for my first $1,000 online was simply, I'd have to say, it's probably the hardest. Um, but in saying that, if I had a mentor earlier, it could have fast tracked that. But anyway, me being stubborn, I just wanted to learn and go through the process and test and see, and eventually I got to the stage where I can get my first $1,000. When I say a first $1,000 online, guys, it's the first $1,000 you might earn in a month, um, in that month sort of period. So for some people, that it's a lot of money. That can make a lot of difference. For some people, it's not a lot of money, and that's okay too because you can scale that up. But so it's all about investing your time. Whatever you invest in, don't see it as a waste of time, because even if you've invested in a program, you've learned something out of that program. Maybe you've picked up how to set up an auto. Maybe you've picked up how to build a sales funnel. Maybe you've picked up out of that process is what's some couple of good traffic sources that you can use. So there's always some gems you can pick up there, take out of it and learn from. Okay, and then when you go move forward with that, you test different traffic sources, you test different offers, you test different approaches. So it's all about learning what goes with what. It's like a jigsaw that goes together, a finely tuned engine that's all coming together with its components. And once you find that formula, then you can rinse and repeat. And that formula for me has been that: invest, learn from that, from the results, tweak, test, and then teach. Okay, so then I can teach that stuff to you guys. I can show you what's worked for me. I can show you some of the traffic sources. And if you look at my previous videos, and my channel, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Go look at some of the other channels I've made, which some of the sources I've used and I've shown you. That's what's brought me success, and a lot of time, and sometimes a fair bit of investment in terms of money has gone into that to find those sources. So it hasn't come easily overnight. Some of it's come from programs I've bought into and I've learnt from other mentors and other coaching systems. So guys, I really want you to get this, because when you can add some value back to some people, and you can do some live videos like this, and maybe it's just a simple video of you just putting up about how to set up an autoresponder, something you've learned in a program, or what traffic source you've learned, you know. Um, it could be something within the system about web pages, about building a funnel or a sales funnel. So with that in mind, what you can do is just add that value. Sorry, get this out of the way. Add that value back into your business, and it's very important that um, it's once you add some value back into the business, that's where people can see you as someone real and someone that really wants to help some other people. So when you offer something online to them, a program, again, you just don't offer anything. You offer stuff that you've researched, stuff that you've used before, stuff that you've got results with before, because you know I don't like to press any other systems on my list at all. I like to promote stuff that I know 100% if they dedicate to this and follow the training and show commitment, they will get the results. So that's what I do with my list. I try and help point them towards these products that I know, and I know some of the guys that run these products, or some of them I don't know personally, but I know of, and they've got a really good reputation. And I personally bought into it and found out what it's like and used it myself. So these are the kind of things you can send out and show to your list and say, hey, you can really make some money. Look, this is how I've done it. And I might stop the video here or put it at the end, actually, some of my results. But maybe if I'm lucky, let's just see if I can put it in. And yeah, let's go to my screen now and I'll show you some things. Okay, guys, we're back on the screen. I'll get rid of this. Okay, we're back on the screen, and let's just get okay. So what you can see here now is this is my affiliate count, and these are some of the results that I'm getting. Now this is just over the last couple of weeks inside my affiliate account, and I just want to show you that these are the kind of results you can do when you invest and you learn from your investment and you test and retweak, and then you can teach that and add that value back. These are some of the results you can get. Okay, so but like it's not important now that some people might say, oh, that's not a lot of money, $1,400 spend. But some people might say, oh, I'd love to be able to make that, and that's fine. I'm not worried who thinks what about the amount. The fact is that it's possible, and that me showing you into my account now, it's possible. Is I'll just refresh this so you know it's continue. You might lose information. It might ask me to log in again, and it does. So but guys, it is really possible, and you can go and make that kind of money and more. I have other affiliate accounts as well that I'm working with too. So that ClickBank one is just I use it as a bit of a test one. At the same time, there is a consistent process going on there with one product that I'm promoting right now. But guys, you can make some money, but you've got to see this journey as a long-term journey. You've got to commit to it at least for for forever, hopefully, but commit to it for at least 18 months to 2 years. Don't get in there in 30 days and think you're going to make all this money. There is a learning process, especially if you've done nothing like this before. But if you've had some experience online, then I highly suggest you find a mentor. Find a mentor who's earning the kind of money that where you want to be, and go in and learn as much as you can off them. Copy them, model them. I won't say copy, but you model them, and learn as much as you can. And that's the process that I've taken on board. For years, I started out by myself. Again, fumbling my way through the dark initially. But guys, you can really, really, really go a lot further if you get a mentor to speed up that process. So if this video resonates with you, and I hope it does, I hope I can say that it's helped you in somewhat, added some value to where now you can go out there and implement what you're doing and learn. And whatever you've learned from that, you need to test, learn from that, retweak some things, test some things. You say, well, Ben, what do I test? Well, maybe it's your traffic source. Run that same traffic, run that same offer to a different traffic source until you get a result, until you get a sale or two. Repeat. Now, you want to get more sales? Maybe tweak the sales page, tweak the autoresponder in the emails. So you slowly tweak things until you get it up to a stage where it's working for you and making that return on investment and profits. Okay, so, but guys, this is part of the Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. Is a private family I'm involved in, and Zach, good old Zach, is the mentor in this group. He's a 7-figure affiliate marketer. If you're looking for something, again, this might not be for you and it might not be for everyone, although it's an immense help to me. I joined this family some time ago now, and it's just helped me immensely online. It's fast tracked my results. It's cut probably months and years and a lot of money that I could have wasted down the drain, because Zach shows me exactly now what to do, how to go about it, and how to get the same results that he's getting. Now, I'm not earning 7 figures a year like Zach, but I'm on my way to getting to those goals where I want to get to. So, guys, if you're looking for something, and that's something that's genuine, that's no BS, and you need someone to hold your hand and show you the way, join this group, join the coaching system. There's a whole heap of training on the inside as well. There's a whole training platform. Zach sets you up with a funnel and everything inside this course. And every time you can get your answers answered in here online, inside the group. You can chat to Zach privately, ask him questions, and you can get all the help you need to fast track you. Okay, so I would highly recommend you go and check this out. There's a link in the description below, and there's some free training that myself I've set up with Zach, and Zach does all the training. Okay, so go and check that out, and if that's for you, maybe it is. We'll see you on the inside. If not, I wish you all the best. I hope you got some value out of this, and just remember, it's a long-term process. You're not going to make $1 million in your first month, in your first year even. But think of it as just chip away, learn, invest, learn, test, And what was the last one? Teach. Teach onto others. Help others through video, through email. Show them what's worked for you. Show them maybe some things that you now know how to set up. And maybe you can send them, hey, this is how, go and watch a video, how to set up an autoresponder really quickly. Maybe you learned that from a course. What traffic source seemed to be working for you? Go and share that traffic source. Maybe you mightn't share every fine detail, but you just share the general traffic source and just help people out online like yourself. There's always learning in every area of life. You've got to be in this for the long haul, and you will make money online. It's that simple. You will be successful online. You cannot not be successful if you stick at it and chip away at it. And in another couple of years, guys, in 60, 90 days or a year, 18 months, just think of where you could be right now in your online income and the stuff you would have learned, the value you can offer people. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll leave you go. Check it out in the link if you like. If not, just comment, and I'm more than happy to help out. Reach out to me. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you